Are you trying to decide between Miro and FigJam for your whiteboarding and collaboration needs? If you've ever wondered which one fits your workflow better, this video will help you compare them side by side and pick the right tool for you. Let's start with FigJam. FigJam is developed by the makers of Figma, and it's built to make design teams' lives easier when they're brainstorming, sketching ideas, or working in tandem with Figma. Because of its simpler toolkit and tight integration with Figma, it's ideal for quick ideation sessions, visual brainstorming, design feedback, and teams already using design tools. It's more streamlined, less overwhelming, and tends to have a shorter learning curve. Now let's look at Miro. Miro is a more mature, feature-rich digital whiteboard platform built to serve many use cases, from design and brainstorming to project planning, agile workflows, large workshops, and enterprise collaboration. It offers hundreds of templates, many integrations, with tools like Slack, Jira, Google Workspace, and advanced features like diagramming, mind mapping, embedded media, voting, timers, etc. So how do they compare across key dimensions? 1. Ease of use and learning curve. FigJam wins in simplicity. Its interface is clean, intuitive, and designed for creative teams. If you're new to digital whiteboards or you just want to sketch and brainstorm, FigJam gets you going fast. Miro, by contrast, packs in more features, which means it may take a bit more time to explore and master all its functions. 2. Features and capabilities. When you need breadth and depth, detailed diagrams, structured workflows, project planning, large-scale collaboration, Miro pulls ahead. It has a bigger template library, more widgets, deeper integrations. FigJam is great for what it does, but it's more focused, design, creative-centric, and doesn't cover all the workflows Miro can. 3. Integration and ecosystem. FigJam integrates seamlessly with Figma, making it especially good for design teams. If your work is built around Figma, this is a big plus. Miro, however, has a broader integration ecosystem, with many other tools and platforms. If your collaboration spans teams and tools beyond design, marketing, dev, project management, Miro offers more flexibility. 4. Pricing and value. FigJam is often more affordable for smaller teams or for design-focused use, because its plan structure is simpler and lower cost. Miro has more features, but that often comes with higher cost for full access. So if budget is a concern, and you don't need all those advanced features, FigJam might be the smarter choice. Best use cases. Choose FigJam if you are a small design team or creative team, already use Figma and want seamless flow from ideation to design, want simple, fast whiteboarding without heavy project planning features. Choose Miro if you collaborate across multiple teams, design, dev, marketing, etc. Need structured workflows, diagrams, project plans, workshops. Might want large template libraries, deep integrations, and scalability. In the end, both tools are excellent. The question isn't which one is better overall, but which one is better for your workflow. If your focus is quick creative brainstorming within a design environment, FigJam might be perfect. If your work spans many functions and you need a do-everything whiteboard, Miro is likely the winner. If you liked this comparison, hit like, subscribe for more tool reviews and productivity tips, and leave a comment telling me which board you'll pick, Miro or FigJam, and why. Thanks for watching.